Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. I've been meaning to show y'all this video because I'm just simply amazed. Thanksgiving is coming right around the corner, and I always like to have my copper dishes or my copper pots and pans in tip-top shape. One of my favorite is this copper tea kettle that my daughter got me on clearance a couple of years ago, and it starts to tarnish pretty quick, but let me show you how I clean it up naturally. No chemicals needed, guys. Just lemon and salt. And let's see what it does. So I just put a little bit of salt on a half of a lemon. And here we go. Is that not incredible? Chemical free, all natural. And my teapot is going to be as good as new for the holidays. Is that not incredible, guys? Just a little bit of lemon and a little bit of salt, and you can polish up your copper bottom cookware, your copper pots, in a jiffy, in a split second. I mean, it didn't take very long. It doesn't take a lot of elbow grease. So you just kind of rub it until you get it as clean as you want. Now this is copper coated and I'm fine with that, but it still works, and it'll work on your copper bottom pans as well. So I'm just about ready for the holidays and getting my copperware cleaned up. I started collecting copper a couple of years ago, so I'm really liking that I can clean up my copper cookware, my copper pots, my copper spoons, with just salt and lemon and no harmful chemicals. So I hope you like this tip. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to our channel, guys. We have a wonderful community. We love you all. We'll see you soon.